Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're doing a gaming test and kind of review of the Moto G Fast. So this is a new phone that Pubg Mobile has acquired on its service. So let's go ahead and see how well it is. A lot of people will say this is the Moto G Power as well with other carriers, but like I said, on Pubg Mobile, it's called the Moto G Fast. So let's see if Fast is really a good way to say that this phone is really fast. It's good for gaming and all this. But today, like I said, we're testing out gaming. So let's get into it, guys. Here's some of the games I will be testing: PUBG, Call of Duty, and Asphalt 9. We won't do all the games that I have on this phone just because it might take up this video a lot. So let's go ahead and try Asphalt 9 first. And of course, you do get the Moto Gaming, so I'm gonna put that up here somewhere. Yeah, up there should be fine. So let it load first and we'll see how well it does. Turn up the volume a little bit. So like I said, wow, that loaded pretty fast, I'm gonna say. Alright, so let's get into the first race and see how well that goes. Alright guys, so here's the first race, and like I said, pay attention to the load times and all that stuff. That way you can kind of compare this. But so far, the first time that it loaded like it did now, wow, that's pretty fast, I would say, compared to the other phones that I've reviewed and tested. So let's go ahead and see how well it does. And the graphics do look nice. There's a little bit of drop frames here and there, but nothing too bad. Definitely playing it fine. Jeez. Wow, there we go. A little bit of stutter there, but that was just because of whoa. So a lot of action in this race, guys. So a lot of things are going through. Wow, destroy that one too. Wow, lots of action. First place, so definitely playable. Didn't really stutter or lag much at all. Like I said, mainly I'll say the times that it did lag was just because there was a lot of action going on the screen. But overall, it was, split second. So definitely it's a pass for me. And sure enough, this game is fun. So let's go ahead and try the next game out, which is Call of Duty. So let's go ahead and see how well we do with this game. I must say, guys, that you do only have one bottom firing speaker, and that's the one on the bottom. You don't have a front facing one. So if you do put your hand like right here on the phone, you can potentially block the speaker. So just be careful with that. Like I said, these loading times, guys, wow, they're really fast. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So let's just go ahead and just a random email I have on here. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so multiplayer, guys. So let's go ahead and play our first match. So hopefully you guys can see it fine. Alright, guys. First match. So here it is. So let's see how well we do, guys. So far so good, nothing too bad. No stutter really. Wow, got destroyed already. Woo! Definitely a good match so far, so let's go. Definitely not playing against the robots here. At least it didn't seem like it. I don't even know if there's friendly fire. I haven't played this game in a while. My team's getting in the way of the bullets, so it's a little hard to play, but there we go. Let's send out some more artillery. Oh, that's the little airplane thing. Ah, missed it. Definitely a little bit harder to play, but like I said, so far so good, not having any issues really. There we go, got a kill off of that. So like I said, it's definitely playable, not having lagging issues at all. Which is great when you're playing a game like this, you know, fast paced. Probably better if you had a controller or something like that. But you know, we have what we have. Boom, there you go, last kill. So yeah, I think they were robots, but you know, first game is 20-11, so not bad at all, guys. Like I said, didn't have any issues whatsoever playing. It's just probably me with the bad controls that I have. But as you can see, you got the last kill there. So pretty good. Like I said, not one bit of issues. Definitely can play Call of Duty Mobile, guys, with no issues. And I do like that it's a big screen, so you can definitely, you know, there you go. Got number one. As you can see, the graphics look amazing too. So that's thanks to the game and of course processor. And there's no slowdown really. All right, guys. So now let's go ahead and test out the last game, which is Pubg Mobile. Had to kind of restart this part just because it kind of glitched up on me. I think it's because it was starting a game and I kind of exited out. So that's not, you know, the phone's fault or anything like that. So let's go ahead and see how PUBG does. And I wanted to show you the loading times and everything so you can kind of judge for yourself. Wow, so they've definitely added quite a bit of things since I've played this game. So let's see how well it does, guys. And there we go. Oh, geez, what did I click? Whoops. All right, let's go ahead and start. And like I said, so far these loading times have been very low, guys. I'm very surprised, like I said, and that also has to do with the processing power of this phone. So for a gaming phone, I'm pretty, you know, excited for it. It's not even classified as a gaming phone, but just the specs that it has and everything. You know, for the games that you want to play, it's definitely doing fine. Now let's see how PUBG does, since I know PUBG has been quite a bit of lag fest lately. So we'll see how that is. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. So we gotta wait for the 30 seconds, but I think that's my teammate actually. But so far so good. Always here in the lobby, it is a little bit more, you know, laggy. But like I said, once we're actually in the game, we'll see how well we do. All right, 5 seconds. All right, so let's go, guys. I believe we're doing teams, so yeah, let's see how that does. So just looking at the airplane, I mean, it definitely looks well detailed. Not super HD, but you know, nothing too bad either. So, and I want to land somewhere nice where there's a lot of people. That way we can kind of get a fight going on. So we'll probably land right down here over here. And hopefully we can find some weapons and, like I said, some enemies and stuff. So let's go. So as you can see, here we go, guys. It's loading. So of course everything looks all kind of smushed and smudged. But hey, overall, like I said, it really matters once you get into the game, really. So everything is loading here. So there you go. So you can see the roads are finally loading. Some things are disappearing, which is weird. So not sure if that's the game. It's not the phone. I don't think so. That's more likely probably the game and its servers and this and that. So I know we'll see how it goes. Right, so there we go. We landed, guys. As you can see, now that we're here in the city, we're actually in the game itself. Everything looks to be loading fine, not having any issues. So let's see how well the game plays. There we go. Got a shotgun there. Got a helmet. Tactical light. Book bag. Scythe. So far so good, guys. Like I said, it's definitely playable. So you don't have to really worry about if it's, lagging or anything like that. Ooh, someone's shooting already. Ooh, some action here. Alright, so let's go to the action, see how well we do. Ah, someone's shooting at me. So here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and see how well we do. Oh, I got downed already. Wow. Oh, yeah, I forgot it's teams. But, it is what it is, guys. So I think I almost downed one guy. But, yeah, so it's definitely playable. No issues there. As you saw, yeah, I got downed. I forgot it was teams. I thought I was playing solo. I usually do better in solo. But overall, everything came out good. It's definitely playable. So all these games that we tested out today, except for Infinity Ops, just because it's gonna make this video way too long, but I can tell you right now it plays fine. So I'm pretty confident that if it can play Call of Duty, PUBG, and Asphalt 9, it can handle any game you throw at it, guys. So very, very happy with this phone, and I mean, just look at it, how beautiful it looks in the back. So very excited to say that yes, this phone passed my test, and I would definitely recommend this for anybody that wants to game on their phone. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. Check out the description below for a lot of offers and as well ways you can support the channel. So thank you, guys.